Alright, so y'all seen the video from drag racing here up at Bristol. Seen that broke the shifter handle, which is right here. Bam. Broke it. Went to Lowe's, made that. So I just bought this and ordered it. Got it, you know, blah blah blah. Got it in, I think Wednesday or something. But anyway, so I'm just gonna swap that whole thing out, swap the shifter with the handle and all of it. So we'll see if that does, because this thing was doing some, it didn't like going into third. And you know, I called the people back that built the transmission, which I really ain't gonna say who that is yet, so I can find out what they're gonna. They said put more miles on it, so drive it a little bit, and if it gets worse, call them back. If it gets better, then good. But going into third, man, it goes in, it just rakes. You know, it goes in smooth, but it rakes. And it's after it gets up, after everything gets warm, gets up to temperature. So I don't know, you know, all the clearances are closing up, and I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna throw this shifter on there real quick and see how it does. Oh yeah, and I got the drain pan underneath, so we'll pull that out here in a minute and see what that is. Gonna change the fluid in it too. Okay. Yeah. No lighting sucks, but let's zoom in on this thing a little bit. Dump a little oil in there just to rinse out any that might stuff that comes out. It's still draining. Just try to rinse out any more stuff. There's a lot of, I would say that it is brass. Looks like a bunch of, there's a gold metal, or you know, gold colored metal up there, was up there in the top. So there's just a little wear on the synchros, but I don't know. I just ain't real impressed for what it's supposed to do and what it does from what the transmission people said. You know what I mean? So, this one's definitely a lot more heavier duty. But we'll see how it turns out anyway. You can see it's a Pro 5.0 shifter. But anyway, let this finish draining a little bit, filled up, put the shifter on, and see what happens, I guess. Got her in here. Done bolt. I done put the rubber on there, but it's got the dead stop bolts. Y'all seen that earlier. Got them adjusted. It's in there. It's all filled up. All that good stuff. And then we come over here, this oil that come out of it. So it's got like it's probably got 25 or 30 miles on it. If that, yes, assistant. Let me get some light down in there. Let me get a digger. Where's my
a digger?
Yeah, let me get a. Here, let's just use this right here. All right. If y'all can see, I don't know.
Look at that goatee.
It's got 30 miles on it. Does that break in? I don't. That's I don't know. We'll play it off as break in, because I got that new shifter on there, so I'm gonna go drive it around. I guess it'll be tomorrow. I gotta go work today.
Well, we're not drained it.
I gotta go work.
Little chips or anything.
Make car parts, buy car parts. It's a vicious cycle. All right. Well, anyway.